We have two pizza ovens that both cost $399 US. They're both fueled the exact same and are roughly the same size and shape. So how do you decide between them when you've got 399 bucks and no pizza? I'm David Gafford, and here at the Barbecue Lab, Melissa and I test the outdoor cooking and living products you're interested in to help you make informed buying decisions. We reviewed the Gozney Arc Lite a few months ago and couldn't help but think how much it reminded us of the Solo Stove Pi Prime, which we reviewed a couple of years ago. So we decided to pull the Pi Prime out of storage and compare them side by side and see if one is better than the other. We've got several tests coming in just a minute, but first, let's take a look at the basic measurements of each oven to see how they stack up next to each other. The Pi Prime is taller at 15.5 inches, while the Arc Lite is only 11.7 inches tall. The Pi Prime is completely round with a diameter of 20.5 inches, while the Arc Lite is more oval in shape with a width of 16.9 inches and a depth of 18.9 inches. The Pi Prime weighs 30 pounds and the Arc Lite weighs 26.4 pounds, so the Pi Prime is overall a slightly larger oven. Both ovens are fueled by a 20-pound propane tank with burner controls easily accessible from the front. I already mentioned that both pizza ovens have a regular price of $399, but if you want to check the current price, we've got links down in the description, or you can scan this QR code. When it comes to the pizza stones, both ovens have cordierite stones approximately a ½ inch thick. The Pi Prime is just 1 millimeter thicker than the Arc Lite. The Pi Prime stone is made up of two semicircle halves measuring approximately 13 inches deep by 17 inches wide in total. The Arc Lite, on the other hand, only has a single stone measuring 12.8 inches wide, but about 15.5 inches deep. The opening of the Pi Prime is also slightly larger than the Gozney oven. We've got 13 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall on the Solo Stove and 12.8 inches wide by 3.35 inches high on the Arc Lite. The difference is minute, but it's there nonetheless. Both pizza ovens can cook a 12-inch pizza, but the Pi Prime offers just a little more wiggle room for turning your pizza. The Solo Stove oven has the more powerful burner of the two, putting out 15,000 BTUs per hour from the back of the oven. The Arc Lite burner provides 11,687 BTUs per hour from the left side, arcing over the entire width of the roof to that right side. One of the stats that's important to me with a pizza oven is how long it takes to heat up. We ran a test with each oven set to high for 30 minutes to find out. We used the ThermalWorks industrial IR gun to get a temperature from the same spot on the stone every 60 seconds and graphed the results. The Gozney Arc Lite hit 381 degrees at 5 minutes, 555 degrees at 10 minutes, 663 degrees at 15 minutes, and topped out at 829 after 30 minutes. The Pi Prime read 439 at 5 minutes, 606 at 10 minutes, 693 at 15 minutes, and had a final top heat of 877 at 30 minutes. If you overlay the graphs, they're quite similar, with the Pi Prime's higher output burner outpacing the Arc Lite throughout the test. The Pi Prime was 30 degrees hotter at the 15-minute mark and 48 degrees ahead at 30 minutes. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos just like this. We invited some friends over for lunch one day and we cooked 4 pizzas in each oven. Both pizza ovens had been preheating for over 30 minutes by the time we started. We generally like to cook Neapolitan pizzas when the stone temps between 750 and 850 degrees Fahrenheit. The Pi Prime was up first, and we were able to launch a new pizza about every 5 minutes, with stone temperatures ranging between 750 and 830 degrees. Each of the pizzas looked beautiful on top, but was quite blonde on the bottom crust, showing little to no charring. The stone temperature in the Gozney was pretty consistently around 790 degrees when we launched each pizza. We struggled a little in the beginning with too much charring on the crust and then adjusted the burner to low after launching for better control. Each of the Gozney pizzas showed significantly more charring on the bottom crust. As a result, our guests preferred the pizzas cooked on the Arc Lite over the Pi Prime. Statistically, the Pi Prime appears to be the better oven. More space internally, thicker stone, higher BTUs. But in reality, the Arc Lite produced better pizzas. So why do you think that is? Before you watch any more of this video, sound off down in the comments and let us know what you think made the difference. Now, user experience with these ovens is worth talking about because if we're going to use them, it might as well be fun, right? Not all pizza ovens have a dial or control knob placement that's easy to get to while you're cooking. Luckily, both of these ovens have their knobs in the front, and it's a non-issue. The Pi Prime knob is in the center, and the Arc Lite is off to the right of center, but both are really easy to use. Getting pizzas in and out is a large part of what we do with these ovens, and each has an advantage here. The Gozney has more stone depth than the Arc Lite, so it's easier to launch a pizza and not have it stick against the back of the oven and not know it. The Pi Prime has a wider oven entrance, so it's easier to get the peel in and out and turn the pizza during the cook. The oven is more shallow than the Arc Lite though, and I've allegedly stuck a pizza or two on the back wall. The interaction height is a couple of inches higher on the Pi Prime, so depending on where you're using it, that's either a pro or a con for either oven. We took a recent vacation for a family reunion, and I needed to choose a pizza oven to take on the road with us, and I did indeed choose one of these, and it was the Gozney Arc Lite. Since it was vacation, I didn't capture much, but I did have some thoughts on that decision. We used some par-baked 12-inch crusts, and a true 12-inch pie pushed the boundaries of the Arc Lite. I was constantly rotating so the side burner didn't burn the crust that was right up against the burner. I thought multiple times that I wish I had brought along the Arc XL instead, but carrying that beast around just really isn't practical. The Arc Lite didn't take up much room in the truck and it was easy to carry around, so it was a win, but I found true 12-inch pizzas a little too large for this oven in practical use. For warranty, the Arc Lite comes with a 5-year extended warranty, and the Pi Prime has a lifetime warranty. You can learn more about the warranties on these ovens on their respective websites for details. In the end, I like both of these ovens, but if I was going to pick one to take with me, it was the Arc Lite, and I stand by my decision. Next time I'll have to take the Solo Stove, but that's probably another video. If you're thinking about making a purchase, just scan the QR code up here or use the links down in the description below. When you use our links, it supports our channel, and that's how we get to keep making testing videos just like this. I'm David from the Barbecue Lab. The rest of the family is hard at work behind the scenes, bringing you the testing every week. Subscribe if you got value, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.